Why are my potato plants not flowering? At Hume Seeds calls potatoes the easiest root crop to grow and harvest. These vegetables are cool season crops that grow throughout the USA with little to no maintenance. They do, however, require the right planting and light exposure if they're to flower and grow. Location: potatoes require full sunlight all day with soil that drains quickly and does not puddle. Potato plants that aren't receiving enough sun, or are sitting in standing water, will fail to bloom or produce a crop. Nutrition: all plants require a certain amount of nutrition to grow. Flowering and vegetable production takes additional nutrition, as the plants use more resources during these stages of production. Gardeners should mix organic compost and 5-10-10 or 10-20-20 fertilizer into the potato plot, to give the plants the nutrition they need to bloom. Water: potato plants also require water for blooming, and fail to bloom if they're not getting enough moisture. At Hume Seeds suggests consistent weekly waterings of at least 2 inches of water, particularly during blooming.